I've got a list of numbers in column A, and I want to use the if function to test whether the number is higher or lower than the number 5. So starting off with the equal symbol and the name of the function, which is if. Going to open the bracket. 3 parts to the if statement. First of all is a test. So I'm testing to see if A3 is higher or lower than a 5. The second part of the test is to return a value if it's true. Separate the 3 parts of the if statement with a comma. I want it to say higher, which is a piece of text. Piece of text need to be protected using the speech marks. Higher. And remember to close the speech marks once you finish with the text. Inserting a comma to separate the third part of the argument. In this case, I want to return a piece of text if it's lower. So again, opening the speech marks, typing the text lower, closing the speech marks. Finally, don't forget to close your bracket. Press the Enter key. So it's returned the text lower. I can use the fill handle to use relative references to copy this formula down. As you can see, it's returned lower next to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and when it's got to 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, it's returned the text higher.